Hey, this is Lab, and welcome to Math Studio Live. This is another tutorial video where I get to help you create PowerPoint games that will keep your audience members engaged. Every week, I will continue to post up tutorials. If you're interested, please click the subscribe button and ring notification. Don't forget to also show your support by liking my videos. Today's topic is creating object triggers in your PowerPoint maze. This is a tutorial continuation of creating maze game with invisible triggers. If you want to learn how to make a maze in PowerPoint, watch that video first. Let's begin. Okay, so here's our maze. As you can see, instead of basic shapes, I replaced it with my drawing of a log and a background. I also added a mushroom creature object, which will be walking around in this maze, so you'll try to avoid him. This image is a GIF, so if I start the presentation, this image will move. See that? He's moving. Now I'm going to make him move in the maze, so you have to dodge him, because if you touch him, he will die. So I'm going to go ahead and end this. I'll click on my object, click Insert, Action, and instead of mouse click, I'm going to use mouse over. I'm going to hyperlink this to the next slide, because the next slide is the loser slide. So if I touch it, I die. I'll give it a sound effect. You can customize your own sound. You can record yourself. But I am going to use a bomb. Click OK. Now he's ready, so if I touch him, he will die. Now I'm going to make him move. To do that, I'm going to click Animation, and I'm going to add animation. And I'm going to go ahead and click Motion Path. I want to make him move to the left. Click OK. There it is. So now I'm going to click Animation Pane and make sure it moves automatically. Start with Previous. I will go to Effect Options and I will do Auto Reverse because I want it to move back. I go to Timing. I click Repeat and until end of slide. Click OK. So now he's going to move left and right. Now I'm going to duplicate him. Now I'm going to paste him. I'm going to put him down here, and I'm going to customize his movement, and instead of going left, he's going to go upper left. When you play it, it should look like this. If I want to add more obstacles, I can make the logs move. Same thing, go to Animation, go to Add Animation, go to Motion Path, look for down, click OK, start with Previous, go to Effect Options, make it Auto Reverse up and down, go to Timing, and let it play to the end of slide. And you can make it move fast or slow in duration. And when I play it, the object moves. But now, practice your object triggers and have them move in your maze. On next video, I will teach you guys object trigger sequence. If you want a copy of this PowerPoint, click the link below. See you later.